All right, y'all, as you can see, this baby needs some work. I mean, it look good, but it needs some work, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the body work first, of course, because it's got a ton of body work to be done on it. But let's get into it, man. Let me show y'all where I'm starting at. All right, so I'm starting on this side of the truck. Got a dent right here on the top of the fender. I know I can't dolly that, but I can possibly dolly this and this and this. So that's what I'm fixing to work on first. Get to it. You feel me?
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think.
Alright, y'all, here we go. Well, I got a little bit of work done, got that fixed. That guy right there is worked out. Just gotta hit him with a little hand sand with the block. Oh, to this door. Oh Lord, this door. Yeah, so this is what we had on the door. I got my bottoms joined, my transitions at the end of the doors done. Look a little rough, but it's all right, y'all don't mind that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and build my middle, join the ends. It's a wrap on that. Them two right there done. So as far as the passenger side go, it's all right. I got this there's a little spot right here. There's some body filler on this truck already, definitely on the bed. There was some body filler back here where I had to fix this. There was already some body filler there, and I guarantee you there's body filler there. Put this board on and we're gonna figure it out. But that's where we at. Yep. Catch y'all back in a minute. All right, y'all, this where we at. End of day 2. I had to end day 2 a little early. I'll get into that in just a second. But this spot here is the spot where the prior Bondo was put on the truck. I boarded it out as much as I could, got down to the metal. It's still a little wavy, slapped just a little bit of Bondo on there just to smooth it out. Everything else basically where it was at. My Bondo down here has been married. They were engaged, but now they're married. Slapped a little bit on the edges. I want to cut those down together and marry them to the middle because the middle is absolutely perfect right now. Threw a little bit more up here because I was touching it and it didn't feel quite right, so I just like spiked some up here. I was actually gonna go ahead and work the hood. My wife actually just came to me and she said she's not feeling good and she wants to go to the hospital. And anytime she comes to me and says anything about she's not feeling good and she actually feels to the point where she needs to go to the hospital, I'm 100 with it, because I'm telling you guys, do not take your people for granted. Do not play around, bro. If they tell you they ain't feeling good, man, take it serious, because I'm telling you, it could be the last time you speak to them, see them, or even interact with them. So with that being said, your boy signing off. This is day 2, the end. It might not be a lot, but boy, day 3 finna be a doozy. Let's go.